If you don't market, you don't make sales, then you don't have a business. So today's video is all about marketing and a freebie that goes with this video. So grab it down below and let's get on with marketing now. Today's video is brought to you by Joshua Tree in California. So if you're a landscape, macro, and nature photographer and want to build your dream business, like and subscribe to the channel to grab great tips and information on business just for you photographers. Hi, I'm Janice Sullivan, and I have been licensing my images for years. I've also been in a variety of media and done a lot of things with my photography in the past. Today, with the marketing tips that I'm going to give you, this should give you a good start to start marketing your photography with the checklist. On your first check off in this list that I'm going to give you down below, the link is down below, so grab that for sure. The first thing you need to do is define your brand. If you don't know what a brand is, truly a brand, check out this video over here that I did on branding. It'll give you all the steps on really building a brand. A brand is defining yourself. It's not about your logo, your colors, and all that. A brand is you. What do you sell? What makes you unique? And how will you talk to your clients? Step 2 is very important. You got to build your portfolio. And when I ask you to build a portfolio, yes, I have made a video for building portfolios, which is down below. But think about your portfolio that will really attract your clients. Make sure that this is something that you really enjoy to photograph. Don't just throw everything out there thinking that that's going to give you a sale. It's not. It's about what you truly love to photograph, which will connect to your ideal customers. And number 3 is build your website, a professional photography website just of your own. And yes, I have a video down there below if you need that help. But the website really needs to focus on your brand, you yourself. How do they connect with you? What you do for them? Because they care about themselves. Your clients care about themselves first. They don't care about
f-stop, shutter speed.
They really don't even care about you. Sorry, it's the truth. They care about what you can give them. The website will tell them what you can give them. It will make them excited to work with you. Also, in your website, give them a briefing of you and what you do, because they do want to know about you so they can trust you. Next on the checklist is utilizing social media. So what I mean by that is when you are going to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, if you're first starting off, pick one where your ideal customers hang out. And when you utilize it, it's not just throwing things out. It's more about putting content out in social to find new people and connect with people that you already are following you so they can see your latest photography, what you're going to be having coming up soon. It's all about social media. This is socially going in and showing your website to them, your new images to them. But it is a tool that you should use nowadays. If you are not a social media person, I'm going to add this little bonus because some people don't like social media, and that's okay. Where do your clients hang out? That's the main thing. Socially, where do they hang out? Do they go to art fairs? Are they going to exhibitions? Go to those places and start meeting new people that you can connect with when it comes to your type of photography. Now on my checklist, I do have social media, but underneath it I say networking. Check that off. And networking can start with social media, but also it is definitely about networking, connecting to your clients. So again, like I said right before this, go to places, have your business card, get to meet people. One of the things I did with networking is getting into photography groups. It's a great place to go and learn about more things when it comes to photography. They're not your clients, but it is about learning new things. So networking beyond just the photography realm would be, if you're like me and Kevin and we love to go hiking, then you're going to connect with some hikers that love the outdoors. Let people know that you're a professional photographer. Next on your marketing list is email. Email is so important. Email is where you're really connecting to the people that want to know more about you. It's so important as this Joshua Tree to Joshua Tree National Park. If you do not have an email marketing plan, which is continually talking to the people who want to sign up for your emails, then you'll lose out. Because social media can go off anytime. Google Plus went out. I remember, I think Instagram and Facebook was down for a while.
But I can't get a hold of my clients.
Well, guess what? If you had an email list, you would have been able to connect to your clients. Email is one of the most important things that I push in my coaching program. Email will always keep you in the top of their minds, your clients' minds. So when they're ready to purchase and you pop up in their email, they'll be ready to call you or email you back and say, let's talk about your product or service. Okay, so now we're going to talk about SEO, search engine option.
I know it's not fun. It's not creative.
But make this like a puzzle, I think. So search engine is where we connect by pushing our website out to the people that we want to work with. And we do this by using keywords that they use all the time. Words like hiking in Joshua Tree Park, photographs from Joshua Tree Park. I'm just using that because we're in this beautiful place. So think of the keywords that your ideal customer would love and search for and put those in your website. I show you in the back end on that website video that I was talking about, I share with you how to do some search engine options, but that is something you definitely need to check off so people know how to find you. Or Google, Bing, they know how to find you to push your site to people that are interested in that. Quick tip, when you're photographing in Joshua Tree, make sure you look out for snakes. My daughter-in-law saw 2, one rattle, and I don't know what the other one is. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm looking for snakes. And shade. I'm going to add this in. A lot of photographers don't think that they need to do this, but once you've established connection and making some money here with your marketing, a tool that's really important is advertising. So in the beginning, I would say boost your posts. If you're doing posts on Facebook or Google, if you want to Google, then definitely go into the ads. So what it's going to do is it's going to give you a wider distance to target the people you want to work with. And you'll be surprised that it really does work if you do know who your ideal customer is. If you don't, check down in the link below. I have a great course that will help you find your ideal customer. When you advertise, I want you to make sure that you use the keywords and everything that I was talking to you about before, because if you don't know your ideal clients, then you're wasting money. You really truly have to know how to target the people that you want to work with. Then the advertising will work. Next on the list is super important, client testimonials. That is actually really important when you want to build trust. I made a mistake and did not do testimonials when I first started my business, and I don't want that for you. In order for people to know, like, and trust you, testimonials are the key. You want to add those to your website, social media, so you can showcase what you do for them. Positive reviews are the ticket when it comes to building trust. Another checkoff that's super important is analyzing. You really must track your performance of your marketing efforts. That's everything that we've done in this checkoff list. Track it, pay attention. Is it hitting the mark? Websites have analytics. Social media has analytics. There's tons of things that tell you what is doing well with your marketing efforts and what is not working. Focus on what's working, because that's what's telling you by the numbers. I know numbers are boring because we're creatives, but it's important for your business. And lastly, on your checkoff list will be offering specials and promotions. And promotion is really what we should focus as photographers, because you could promote what you're doing as you're photographing, as you're making and creating your photography, your work that you give to your clients. But please don't promote.
Oh, I shot this on the f/22 with 1/50th of a second and the ISO.
Who cares? They don't care about that. Your products and services can be promoted when you first start to showing what you're going to end, and then they'll be excited when it's done and ready to buy. Now you may want to run a sale, but don't discount your imagery. I've done that before and it just basically shows that you don't really appreciate the hard work that you've done. So put the sales on framing or another service that you may provide. Say for a short time you can get the frame for free, or for a short time you can license this image because it's not going to be available on Monday to license. So just think of creative ways to be able to give people an incentive to act now. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to grab your free marketing checkoff list. Plus, I also have some bonuses in this PDF for those of you that take the initiative to grab this free PDF. If you're a landscape, nature, and macro photographer who want to build a dream business, subscribe to the channel, like, and always comment, ask me questions. I'm here every single day. Remember that your 1,000 words does make a difference. Cheers.